why it is called as Marma Shastra, Agastya Marma Shastra? Why the Marma has been given importance, and what is the method of treatment here?
So the Acharya is telling that in every part of the body there will be a prana is there, vital prana is there, but it has a specific way of traveling through the body, and certain parts of the body it will be staying in some times. So usually the peoples are come across with problems with these points where the staying has occurred. So Acharya has classified there will be some primary marmas, there will be some secondary marmas, and there will be some accessory marmas. So whenever there will be an affection of an injury, it will be come across with some of the main vital points where the subtleness of pranavada is situated. So that points only considered as in numbers 108. But when we are theoretically speaking, there are so many other points are also there, and there are so many other pranasthanas are there. But in clinical aspect, as the disease occurring or the affections is occurring, we were concealed to 108 marmas. And by these 108 marmas, combinations and applications, it will help in the treatments aspects. The basic thing is the chalana of Vada. Vada has a force, a power, everything is there. So it has certain pathways. So whenever there will be a blockage of these pathways, it will result in the abhighata of marma. So then the symptoms will be resulted according to the severity as like that of a poison. Sometimes if the marma abhighata is very severe, it will be just like poison. It will be spread very fast, and the patients will unconscious and will sometimes death even if it occurs. But the marma abhighata is little bit near to the marma point, or that much of pressure is not there, so then there will be no problems that much. It will produce some diseases afterwards. So marma concept playing a role to clear the channels, to increase the circulations by external stimulations or by internal medications or by other health techniques like some pullings or bandages.